Okay, one more try. I've had a little chat with you all. This is the third one and erased it. So here we are, people. Today, I'm saying to you all, Happy friggin' New Year. It is actually January 9th, 2023. The video you're watching is me home just before New Year's until the new year with my mom and my people, and I tore her house apart. They had a roof issue. Things that were upstairs and what I call her little playroom all came downstairs, books and you name it, things she wanted to work on. She's just like me. Actually, the apple didn't fall far from the tree. Let's just say that. So when I got there, I was just like, okay, this is so wrong. So we actually moved things around, I think from 9 to 10 p.m., which is insane. It took about an hour to have great furniture placement. And then the other couple of days were just puttering and moving things and like a teeny tiny little tweak here and there. And every day when I hear from her mom, she loves the space. The space is same condition it was when I left. So the system is working, which makes us all feel fantastic. Now the question is, why have I been so quiet? You'll all ask. Do I hear you asking? Actually, no. That's just me. Again. But I've been quiet because while I've been getting up each morning, going to my beautiful clients who have blessed me with the life I have, I actually get up and look around, and then it's like surreal for me because a year ago, I was under a crazy amount of stress. And in my mind during that time, I could always see where I wanted to be one day. So the crazy thing is that here I am. This is my one day. So yeah, I've just been making yummy things. My space has not been changed around the living room. Nothing. The only thing I'll be changing, there it is right there, is a beautiful water lily Monet table my mom painted. Will be coming in because years ago I did some Matisse paintings for her. Can you believe it? Matisse did it. Should have had pictures. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to put that in my living room, but I am going to be doing my bedroom. I have tomorrow off, and which was so nice to be finished today at 1, and then have my appointment at 4:15. So everything's just so casual, and I'm so blessed to pay my bills the way I want to pay them. Like it's surreal is the only word that I can think that, like, how I feel now in my life. So I'm so blessed and so happy. So anyway, I'm not going to go on and on about that. But I wanted to put this video out here so that I can clear up a lot of the videos that I have jamming up my phone. And yeah, I'll say hey here and there, but really there's not anything going on. There's no drama. There's nothing bad. Everything is fantastic. And I love all of you. 89 subscribers now. Yes, thank you so much for subscribing. You really don't know what it feels like to be me, to know that someone else wants to hear one of my dumb videos. It just warms my heart. Anyway, I'm going to leave you all because I'm going to get ready to go for my lovely little massage. And I'll report back about the experience. I love you all. Have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.